AFGHAN level Pashto textbooks, Pashto as a second language. Reading book AFGHAN. This book has been developed using new and effective methods for learning the Pashto language. Significantly different from traditional methods, the teaching concept of this book is based on the common European framework of reference for languages. This book includes the basics of the Pashto language, including the alphabet. Each Pashto letter is assigned to a dedicated lesson that is structured effectively. In these lessons, special attention is given to the use of each letter. And at the end of each lesson, Pashto vocabulary with English translation is provided. This book will not only appeal to Afghan children living abroad, but also to foreigners interested in learning Pashto.
You can buy this book from Amazon. Here is the link.